Hey there, my friend Will here with the XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are in the world. And today I just want to show you a quick example of a trade I've just, haven't entered yet, but I've set my ACE robot to actually enter the trade when it's happening. So it's in two currency pairs. It's on the Kiwi against the Japanese yen and the Kiwi against the US dollar. So you can see we're coming into this weekly area here. On the weekly, we're coming into it. If we look at the daily, coming into this area, and I've placed my robot onto the chart on the 4-hour charts, and I'm getting ready for a signal to happen based on the TraderX system. So if you go to the expert advisors, you'll go to here. I've got allow live trading. I've selected only longs as I'm only looking to buy. I've put my input, stop loss 150, take profit 300, trade size 0.5. Okay, so it's coming into a weekly area, weekly and daily area. I've got the auto trading on, so I'll just wait for a signal. We're getting lots of divergence signals happening here, so I'll just wait for a proper signal to happen. And if you look at the actual TraderX system, looks a bit better over here. I will just wait for a 4-hour signal to start to happen here. Next 4-hour signal happens, the TraderX robot will enter the trade, and boom, we're in we'll be in a nice buying opportunity. Next one is on the Kiwi yen. So we're deep in a weekly area here. Look at the daily, coming down to this daily area within the weekly, dropping nicely. So I've loaded this onto the 4-hour chart, and I will wait for a signal to happen. If you look at this, no signals yet, but as the signal happens, it will enter the trade, and we will be going up to the upside. You can see here, we'll just go to expert advisors, just make sure it's set properly. Got 100 and 300, 3 to 1. We've got allow live trading, only long, so all good. So 2 trading opportunities that I'm looking to take at the start of this week. It is the 15th of May 2015. So you can take these trades manually if you want, as a wee gift to you. As for me, I am waiting for the robot just to give me the perfect opportunity. If you want to learn more information about accessing the TraderX robot, you can simply click the link below. It is very powerful and automates your trading around 90%. So it takes away all the emotion, takes away all the guesswork, and gets you into the best, most highest probability trading opportunities. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Will at the XAUUSD.com.